Okay, for science, we're going to talk about the science, and we start with 0 to 2 years. For 0 to 2 years, we'll enact the mirror and light discovery. For this, we'll set up. The setup will include a dimly lit space, that is either blackout curtains or corner tent. For this, we can just close the curtains, and then we can have the small unbreakable mirrors, baby safe torches, and reflective objects, like for example silver spoon, foils, aluminum foil sheets. Then we'll start off by first by inviting children to hold the torches and the mirror, and slowly shine the torch on their hands or faces, and we'll try and reflect it back using the mirrors. We'll start like, look, like the children will be like, the light bounces back, the light is moving to your hand, and I would then let them experiment by moving the torch or the mirror, and encouraging them to watch what, like, it causes, and the effect, like how the light can bounce back from their hand to reflect back on the mirror. Yeah, from the mirror to their hands. That's it for 0 to 2 years. And for 2 to 3 years, we'll enact the color water mixing. For this, we can have like things like the pipettes and jars with different colored water in it, and we'll try and mix the water together by, like, taking some water from this jar to this jar. And with this, we'll first try and asking them the open-ended question, like, what do you think will happen when you mix maybe blue and yellow or red and white, like encouraging them to first guess what happens and try it out. That's it for 2 to 3 years. Okay, and for 3 to 5 years, we'll enact the plant growth investigation. Yes, so we'll set up small pots of, and we can use the fast sprouting seeds, for instance, the beans. First, we start by setting up the pots and labeling them. And first, you can put one pot under the sunlight and another one in a dark space with no sunlight. Label it, and we'll encourage the children to, in a discussion on the conditions of what makes the plant grow or sprout faster, by like observing what happens in a duration, as maybe a duration of 1 week, like that. And for 6 to 8 years old, we'll enact the shadow experimentation. This will set up the setup will include a space with white wall or white or hanging sheets, or as our background, torches or desk lamps, and measuring tapes, papers. And this will have children to stand in front of the light and observe their shadow sizes, and we encourage them to measure their distance. Then we encourage them to move closer to the light, try and expound of, like, talk about what happens, what are some of the changes they see, and also take the measurements of it. And with this, we'll encourage them to, like, try and think, like, what really happens when you get closer to the lights. Do you, like, appear big or small, like that? Thank you. That's it for science. Yeah.